footage thus far, assuming this is all posted in order. On the way out here, I passed that first summit, and I was like, maybe I'll get this on the way back, depending on how I feel. This is that summit. So, yeah, definitely easier to hit on the way back too, like for sure. So this is another Sulphur summit. And then over there is Samson Peak, which you can clearly even tell from this point is not the tallest point on the mountain. And especially when you look over here and you see that this is even significantly taller than the peak I'm on right now. There's no way so there's that first summit down from that. And pretty much off the scrambling portion of the traverse now at this point. So it should hopefully be smooth sailing back to the trailhead. But it's not over till it's over.